Pakita mo yung makeup mo kay Ate Dayan. Tada!
Ate Dayan, ito yung makeup ko. This is by my daughter.
Yes, what else?
And this, pang-alis po to. And so the makeups and cutics.
Makeup and cutics.
Go out and then show a day.
Show me how to apply makeup.
And this shading.
You said it already eh. That's a lipstick. For your eyes. What's for your eyes?
And this.
Okay, you show me how to apply
and
this.
Her eyes.
For eyes. Okay, pakita mo kung paano mo lalagyan yung mata mo. Go!
Wait. Wait lang.
Wow! Wow, ganda naman, no?
Puti? Wala.
Kabilang mata.
May blue. Dalawa. May blue.
Ang ganda naman ni Marco, dalaga.
Ang ganda. Tapos, ano naman, yung lipstick. Anong lipstick gagawin? Eto.
No, yung red.
And this is pang-alis po to eh.
Okay, sorry.
And this shade there.
Okay. Chinese ka ba?
No. Nag-English lang ako.
Nag-English ka pala eh. Kala ko nag-Chinese ka. Okay. Make-upan mo si Ate Abigail. Make-upan mo si Ate Abigail.
Wait. Wait.
Okay.
Wait, sister.
Loka ka. Okay, I'll wait, my sister.
Walang color. Kasi, gan ka.
Wala namang kulay ah.
Kasi pula yung ano mo eh.
Ay, meron nga. I look funny. Margo, what are you doing?
Maganda.
Ganda mo naman, di pantay. Ibuko yan eh.
And wait. Maganda.
Wow, thank you, Margo. Wow, parang
Ano
di
gusto mo
pantay.
dito? Ate.
Di naman pantay, Margo eh.
La 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 la.